D. I say welcome to the Triple D. I say welcome to the Triple D. Talk about my city, but it's me. Yeah, welcome to the Triple D. Talk about my city, but it's me. Yeah, welcome to the Triple D. I say welcome.
44 game, man, what's happening, man? It's your boy Hemi like 44 back with another video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, you be notified every single time I post. Well, I be rhyming, man. Y'all come on, man. Y'all know, y'all see this view, man. Y'all see where I'm at? Oh, huh? That is the ground way down yonder. Rooftop meet, baby. Come on now. They got a couple cars up here, man. I'm gonna film some of them. I came here before. It was alright, but they had a lot of music playing, so I'm gonna try to get this recording done before they get to playing all this music. But we're gonna walk around, see what they got up here. I don't know where my boy A Richie went. He's somewhere around here. There you go. There go A Richie over there, man. He over there doing his intro. Y'all make sure y'all make sure y'all subscribe to his channel, man. Also, y'all make sure y'all follow my boy right here on IG. Shout out to the IG, brother.
Follow me on IG at nightfury_GT.
nightfury_GT. Y'all make sure y'all follow him, man. Yeah, you the one put this meet together, right?
Me?
Or you and your boy there?
Follow at Beast Mopars.
Beast Mopars.
Beast Mopars.
Make sure y'all follow that, man. They doing big things out here. They put this meet together. Nice meet, man, too. So, boy, A Richie right there, man. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe to this channel. A Richie. A, 2 Y's, 2 E's. Richie with a Y.
Hey, we're going up all 2019, so we can show out in 2020.
Uh-oh. So we can show out in 2020, you heard the man. But, man, I'm going to get to it, man. I'm going to show y'all some of these cars. It ain't too much here, but they got some nice cars there. So, I'm going to get straight to it, man. So they got a couple of old little cars right here, man. Got some little robot eyes. That's what I call them, man. Look like some eyes off a robot or something. Look like he got his eyes wide open.
Miatas, right?
Is that what they call? I say they look like robot eyes. You know, hey, he look like a robot like this right here. Hey, he look like a robot looking at you like. Hey, y'all see this Hemi? This SRT8 too. Okay, SRT thing down there. He just pulled up in this thing. That Mustang right there. Got another Mustang over there. What's going on, man?
What up, what up? I appreciate you making it out, brother.
Yes, sir. Go on, shout the town your IG out.
Oh, at Beast Mopars. And then the Drips and Whips one is just at drips_and_whips.
Y'all make sure y'all go follow them now, man.
Appreciate y'all. Appreciate it.
And this is every Sunday, right?
Every Sunday. Rain or shine, I don't give a crap.
Oh, god dang.
Yeah.
Already.
We sending it.
Yeah, already. We can ride down there. We can ride right there. Hey, brother, what you doing, brother? What you doing down there? He on the lower level. Yeah, he down there taking pictures of his rap. You know what I mean? We got our cars right here. Somebody pointed Mustang next to us, real disrespectful. We got us right there, man. You know what I mean? Boom. Boom. We got us right here. Somebody won't come park it. Mustang. It's Mustang. You don't belong there, brother. Brother, it's more than just your car over there, brother. He only taking pictures of his car. It's done right there. Done, that's his car right here. That's the same one. Same dude drive his ZL1 Camaro. That's his car too. ZL1 Camaro and this SRT. Matter of fact, we finna get down there. We're gonna show y'all this. And we're gonna come over here and show y'all this Mustang. Y'all know me. I'm not. Oh, 3.7. Must be a V6 Mustang, 3.7. Is that what that means? Hey, I don't know. Let me see. Yeah, it is. It's a V6, 3.7. Okay, I didn't know this. I didn't know it was a 3.7. Yeah. So now I know the V6s are 3.7s. But he got it looking nice though. Got the nittos on there.
Laugh out loud at your V8.
Huh?
On the tag. Laugh out loud at your V8.
Laugh out loud at your V8. Come on, man. Yeah, it's a V6. But you never know. Exactly. You never know what he got up under there. That Camaro sound. Hit it, man. Playing with it. Hit it, man. Come on. Daytona right here. Daytona thing. It's on too. Somebody sitting in there? I don't know, but it's on. Don't look like nobody sitting in there. Nah, they just got no. Little Fiat, man. Come on. Come on. Mopar. It's still a Mopar. Hey, you know Fiat was a Mopar?
Really?
Yeah.
They were Mopar?
Yeah.
I ain't know that.
That's what I was told, brother. But I was told by somebody that owned a Fiat.
So if a Fiat wanted to join the club, they can
No. No, brother. No, this thing carbon fiber out, man. Huh? This thing carbon fiber out. That thing hard. I like that. God damn. Going on, nice, brother, nice. Y'all follow him on IG. This your IG right here, right? This your IG right here, right? Y'all follow him on IG, man. Boom. Got big vibe out of it. Look at this. Look at this. That is a surfboard on top of this thing. That boy got a surfboard. That's what he did. That's what he did. Had that made and went and bought a surfboard, put on top of that. That thing big. Bike, bro. They got this thing stretched too, boy. Got this thing stretched too. Hey, he let me ride. I heard this thing go like 80.
80?
Yeah. I don't know how true that is. I heard they go like 80 though. When I went to go buy my 4-wheeler for my kids, they had some of these there and they said they go like 80. So I don't know if that's a lie or what.
I know the Brembos ain't come on that Ford like that. I mean, it's an RS. I know the Brembos ain't come on that.
Oh nah, them Brembos bigger than the ones on scatpack.
Yeah.
But these I think these
I know.
I think these cars, what is this? Oh no. I don't know nothing about no Ford RS. I don't know nothing about the Ford RS. I was thinking about that Volkswagen SI or IS, whatever that is.
SCI? No.
Whatever it is.
Volkswagen like the SCI, I don't think.
It's something like an SI or something. That's what I was thinking. But I've seen this car before. Matter of fact, I seen this car at when we went to Slam TSP
Okay.
at the racetrack. I seen this car.
I like this rap though.
Yeah, that's why I remember it. Look at it. Same dude drive the CL1, man. Both of these is SRT. Engraved in there. Come on now.
Oh my
Looks
god.
wrapped right here. I think he got something back here. Yeah, son of a cat. He got son of a cat right going across there. He parked like a while. So that's why I can't get back there. But yeah, rims on there looking nice. Got that roof open. Hellcat hood on this Scatty. It's not a scatpack, I apologize. It's still the SRT. It's not a scatpack. That thing hard though, man. That thing hard. Of course, y'all have seen this one. Y'all see this one everywhere. He was there. He was just there taking pictures of his car. His car only, like we ain't working nothing. You know what I mean? Here we got my boy right here. Mustangs, man. Another Mustang. That's a Cobra. That's a Cobra? Yes, sir. No, it's not a Cobra. That's a, I don't know what that is. I don't know what kind it is. You got a, where is your reverse lights at, brother? Or is that a stick shift? Probably a stick shift. He's just rolling back. Boy, I couldn't do that. Bro, I couldn't do that, bro. Look, let me show y'all. See, he's sitting on this thing. Let me show y'all how far up we are. Brother, I couldn't do that, brother. I'll be the fail from being so scared from sitting right there, bro.
Hey man, we've done so many photo shoots here, like whatever.
Yeah.
Man, look how far up we
It
are,
ain't that
man.
high.
What?
No,
That's
it's only a few stories you
It
can
ain't
walk
that
away,
high.
maybe if
Y'all
you're
live
lucky.
around
shit, man.
You're
Nah.
driving far, aren't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. You are the yellow one. Who owns the yellow one?
I don't know where he at. He's somewhere.
Right there.
Yeah, that delivery one. I love that.
Yeah. Yeah, he's somewhere around here.
Yeah.
Y'all usually show
We-
out bigger than this.
No,
don't
I
Yeah,
know. We were
but-
we were sitting down and we laughed because we were
Uh-huh.
like, look at them.
Hey,
They, all,
one
they
of
parked
y'all
all
dudes
straight
is
and
my
shit.
FedEx guy.
I was like, we need to take lessons from
Who?
them.
What
it's a
it-
blue Charger, like that new blue Charger. I don't remember. I don't
B5?
remember the
Is
dude's
it?
name.
No, it's wheel to wheel. Is that what you're talking
No,
about?
I don't know. I honestly
Is
don't
it
know
the
his
black
name. It's
and
my
white?
FedEx guy.
Is it the black with the teal color?
No,
It's a blue Charger?
yeah, it's a Charger. It's that OEM blue that they come in.
It's is he like kind of short?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know you're talking about.
Yeah, he's cool as shit.
Yeah, I know you're talking about. You
Y'all
talking
were
about
big
Keith.
though. For a
But-
girl's I think not graduation, y'all for prom.
Yeah.
Y'all roll big.
Yeah.
The fucking cops showed up, and these motherfuckers are like, as the cops, and they're like, yeah. So what's up, everybody? The cops
Camera in their face.
chilled the fuck
Yeah.
out. I was like,
Yeah.
Camera got power, bro.
that does,
Yeah, you do.
that does.
You
You
do.
were like, you're in my neighborhood.
Hey, okay, brother. Yeah, that camera, put the camera in their face. They
Yeah, they
gonna switch it
calm
up.
the fuck down
Yeah, they
real
gonna
quick.
switch it up.
Yeah, I love that.
I love that color on that 300.
It's gotta be a 300.
It is. That thing hard. I love that color. Real big roof in that thing. Yes, sir. Got the spoiler. Bro, these 300s gotta have these spoilers. If we don't have the spoilers, I don't like it.
That's what I tell my brother. Like, we need to spoil.
Yeah, like the one I had didn't have no spoiler. Yeah, I ain't like it. I mean, I liked it at the time because I ain't know it came with a spoiler. That was when they first came out when I bought them. I ain't never seen one with a spoiler really. Another Mustang right here. Hoonigan. Mustang right here. Yeah, he sleep right now. He ain't got his eyes open. He sleep. Infinity right here. I blew those out one of these, bro. For real? Oh god dang, you need to slow down. You need to slow down. You ain't driving nothing like you where you need to be speeding like that. Okay. But that was a short bid, that'll be my type of time.
Yeah.
Why should stop? Oh god dang. They got her cutting up. Okay, in that little Civic. He trying to talk in that little Civic. Oh, he can't drive. Where you going? Where you going? He trying to go right there. You gonna hit that Camaro. Straighten it up, brother. Oh, okay. Man, this color scheme over here, man. I like the color scheme. Hey, they must went to Carter High School. They must went to Carter High School with this color scheme. Red and blue. Big roof in there.
And it must be that,
Low light.
Go ahead, young and broke on her.
Did it? Carbon fiber. Hey, bro. Somebody gave you. What's that? This you right here? I like that color scheme, brother. Like that.
It's a Miami blue mixed with a Riviera blue wrap.
Okay. Y'all make y'all
APR
find
stage 1, 2. APR stage 1, 2. Smooth catback exhaust with a Porsche tip. Carbon fiber spoiler. Carbon fiber mirror caps. Front splitter. It's spaced 9.5s in the front, 12.5s in the back. 4-star wheels.
That what's up. That was nice. I ain't gonna lie to you. I like it. He ain't got leather in there too. I like it though. I ain't gonna lie. I like the color, man. That's a nice color for real. Nice brand. I like it. What's going on? We got what is this? What is this? G6? Or this is no, this is not a G6. I'm sorry. It's a photo cobalt or something. I don't know. We got the fit right here. Yeah, I think that's their car plug, bro. Fit right there. It's an RS Camaro right here looking good. $200 right now. Jump on that thing.
Hell no. No way. You offer me $1,000. I'm not jumping.
Oh, you wouldn't do it for
I
$1,000?
already got bad knees. So
Right.
if I jump down there, my shit broke.
$1,000 right now. Jump down there.
I already knew you by that. I can't even jump off the stairs.
Right. Jump from right here to here?
Yeah, $1,000.
Top it up?
Yeah.
The money.
Huh?
Yeah, where the money is.
I ain't got it,
It
bro.
ain't gonna be no good stand for right here.
You know.
I know.
So
You
he
gotta
gonna
figure
get
out a
up
way.
here. Look, he gonna get up here. Bah!
You gotta figure out a way, brother.
Yeah, I can make that jump, but it's just the landing.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. The landing gonna hurt you.
You gonna end up in the middle of that damn thing.
Bro, that's a good 20 feet, bro.
Hey, if you land on your feet,
That's a
what
good
you gonna
20
do,
feet.
bro. I'm gonna tell you exactly what. If you land on your feet,
Probably
that's
farther
what
than
you
that.
gonna do. Bah! Dead into your knee.
I probably
off
fall
of
in
that,
20
then I
feet.
fuck around and go to the middle of that hill, boy, I'm gonna hurt myself.
Oh yeah, you out of there. You gonna fall and roll right between there.
Right between, they gonna be stuck. He died.
Trying to make a quick buck.
Between the crack of it.
Man, you just try to throw that can in between the crack of them trailers right
It's all
there.
about accuracy. You already gonna lose where you standing.
Who first?
Me? I ain't gonna lose. I can stand anyway and throw it. He going first. I'm gonna let him go. He the
We're
shooter.
gonna see where it lands.
He's supposed to be the shooter.
Might be all mixed.
I'm the scorer.
We're gonna see. That's a can, brother. It's light.
Nope. That's it.
Both of y'all off.
I'm closer. I was clearly closer.
Mine floated, man. He had more. My weight took him down.
I need a can, brother. Give me your phone. I'll try with your phone. Hey, yo. So that's a wrap for this video, man. That's all the cars they pretty much had, I heard. So I'm finna sign out, man. But y'all be like, y'all make sure y'all subscribe if y'all didn't. Like, share, comment, browse, all that good stuff. We're going up towards 2019, man. I got a lot more coming. So y'all stay tuned, man. I'm gonna start doing this prank thing a little more too, since they've been pranking me like crazy. You know what I'm saying? So make sure y'all subscribe, hit that like button, turn on post notification bells so you won't miss nothing, man. But y'all know how I end all my videos, man. In the meantime, in between time to the next video, holla at your boy, man. I'm out.